Here's another update on the Highway 3 bridge project, 20 Mile Creek in Hedley. The detour bridge is in. Let's take a look at this. "20 Mile Creek" down below. So eventually what's going to happen is traffic is going to be diverted onto this bridge as the highway bridge I just crossed gets replaced. Looks quite impressive actually for a temporary bridge. Just going to give you a bit of a view here of the bridge that's going to get replaced. And another look at the detour bridge that is just about completed. They even have yellow lines on it already.